Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Roblox high ping on mobile. First of all, you need to prioritize a stable Wi-Fi connection over mobile data and move closer to your router. Next, you're gonna close all background apps to free up network bandwidth and lower your Roblox graphic settings to manual to ease strain on your device's processor once you're inside the game. So basically, that's it. Switch to a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, right? Disconnect with other devices like smart TVs or laptops that might be using up bandwidth, like streaming or downloading in the background, and restart your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for it to fully reconnect. This clears network cache and resolves temporary server glitches, right? And avoid VPNs. Unless you are bypassing specific regional restrictions, turn off any active VPNs on your device. So you can go ahead to the settings, general, right? And if you turn on any VPN, just turn it back off, right? As they can significantly increase ping. So consider liking this video, subscribe.